Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. If you have great customer service skills, but you don't want to be talking on the phone, this might be perfect for you. You get to grade other people's customer service interactions and give feedback. Tell them what they should have done better, what they did right. It is the best type of customer service job because you don't actually have to service the customer yourself. As always, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below the video. The company is Figma. They have a 4.7 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor. And they are hiring a quality assurance specialist. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only. It says this is a full-time role that can be held from one of their U.S. hubs or remotely in the United States. But they are basically looking for someone to evaluate product support interactions from their customer service team using defined rubrics to ensure their customers are receiving swift, kind, and knowledgeable experience. So you don't even have to go into your grading blindly. They're going to give you a grading rubric to check off and say, yes, they did these things. No, they didn't. There's probably some kind of scoring system. You'll complete root cause analysis of the customer interactions to identify trends that continue to contribute to opportunities for improvement for the customer service team. You'll be a strong support to the product support managers and specialists, providing well-structured and actionable feedback. And you'll also contribute to business reviews, giving recommendations for improved overall operational efficiency on the customer experience side. Now, of course, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They want somebody who has experience working in a support environment for a software as a service product. Someone who can be a subject matter expert on Figma and FigJam. Someone who has a passion for helping people and providing that impactful feedback, and someone who has resilience and adaptability. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay in this job description. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. I could not find anything on Glassdoor. But if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. If you found this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful, give this video a thumbs up like button because that does give me direct feedback. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.